Alright, so I wanted to go ahead and do another example of the CSS animations with keyframes, but this time I wanted to use colors as an example. It's going to be the same concept, but we're going to use it a different way. So I still have my same setup. I have ID box here, and then I'm going to come over here. Same red box I have here, and I have my same basic structure with my keyframes here. My name is different because we're going to do color fades instead of box to the right, right? So color fades this time. Um, so my starting position and my ending position. Again, do not confuse this percentage with opacity, especially now that we are dealing with colors, okay? Again, this is beginning position and ending position. Last time the box beginning position was here and then we moved it here, right? It transitioned all the way over here. So this time our first position is going to be red and we're going to transition into blue, okay? Again, we have a new name, so we're going to go in here and do you remember how we're going to apply the keyframes? We're going to go ahead and put animation and then our name for the animation, color fades. Again, that's just a name that we gave it. You can make it any other name. This is just the name that I chose. So now that we have the name on there, we're going ahead and put the duration of the animation. Again, 2 seconds because I want you to be able to really see the concept. And then how many times the animation is going to repeat itself. I'll do one this time, okay? So we have a box. It's going to have a starting position of red and then it's going to change into blue. Red into blue. And then of course it's going to go back to its original state, right? Unless we put, do you remember? Forwards. Yep. Go back. Red, blue, it's going to stay there, right? All right. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you some other things other than forwards, okay? Instead of just ending in that position. Let's go ahead and turn this to alternate. And just so you can see it a little better, I'm going to go ahead and add a midpoint, 50% of background color yellow, okay? That'd be distinct enough. All right. So we have a color fade from red to yellow to blue. It's going to take 2 seconds and it's just going to be one time this time, okay? So first, let's come up here. Now first I'm going to just show you that one time, okay? Just so you can see again, so it's red to yellow to blue. Midpoint was yellow and then our ending position is going to be blue. So now I want to show you alternate, right? This is going to make the animation go back and forth. So red, yellow, blue, and then original position. Why didn't it go back and forth? Because we only had it repeated once. If we put it 2 times, red, yellow, blue, yellow, red, it's going to alternate between the directions of the animation, okay? To show this again, we're going to add another, okay? Again, alternate is just going back and forth between the animation, okay? And we're going to do that 3 times. We're going to go this way once, this way twice, this way 3 times. And red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, red, red, yellow, and blue. And then again, the original position. We can also, if we put reverse, What do you think that's going to do? Reverse. Reverse. Yep, it's going to reverse. Instead of red, yellow, blue, we're going to have blue, yellow, and red. Blue, yellow to the red. And it did it 3 times because we have 3. Okay? All right. So you can do alternate, you can do reverse, you can also do alternate reverse. Okay? Now that's going to have a back and forth 3 times, but it's going to start in the reverse position. So we're starting here. We're going here and then back and then here. Okay? Reverse, reverse, reverse. Okay? All right. So again, this is starting position. In the position, we have a midpoint. We also have different ways you can change the direction of the animation. Again, make sure you have animation. You have the name of the keyframes that you want to apply. This is going to be the duration. This is going to be how many times. And this is going to be the direction of the animation. Okay? So have fun with this. Try different colors, try different stopping points or destinations, and try how these effects again. The duration is going to be how slow or how fast, or it's going to affect how slow or how fast the transition is. So go ahead and play around with that and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.